What you are about to see is not a vlog, despite the cute little intro card. So come along with me as we get to the point and enjoy this lovely, crunchy, spicy, foggy day in Portland, Oregon. I find life travels just a little too fast sometimes. In my head, the cars around me, the people around me, the months swirling by. Everything travels just a little too fast. And I get caught up in it every time. Amazing. Check out the influencers in the wild, all here taking awesome photos. We're going to put all their taglines directly below them so you can follow them. I participate in the hustle culture. I live in the fast lane. My brain swirls around so fast that it would qualify as a 10 out of 10 spookies for Spooky Lake Month. But there's a problem with that. And that problem is, we were never supposed to go this fast. We were never supposed to have this much to do on a daily basis. The society that we have crafted over the past thousands of years has evolved and changed. But it's changed in ways, sometimes, not always for the better. I'm not here to give you a lecture on how, quote, the past was so much better, end quote, because it wasn't. We didn't have medicines to heal all our wounds. We didn't have all the tools and trades and fun things we have today. So I wouldn't trade living in the 21st century for any other century. But I would love it if the past could teach us just a little. Enjoy your hobbies. You don't have to monetize them. Create community with those around you, not just your friends on the internet. slow down and take a picnic. You can just sit outside without having to take a selfie. These little things, I find, are what I get wrapped up in every time I go to try and relax. Yes, we'll have a picnic, but phones will be out. Photos will be taken for the gram. I will make the best of friends, but they will be thousands of miles away from me. If I had to see it, so do you. You're welcome! Sure, I'll take up a new hobby, but I'll turn on that camera so that YouTube can also see all of my mistakes, as usual. And even though I'm attempting to relax,
They sure are aerial silks. My God.
I will be traveling at Mach 3,472. Through my day, through my to-do list. Oh God.
Whoa.
One heck of an apron right there. While we're all traveling too fast and doing too much, we forget a very important thing. It's something that's necessary to continue to be a human. You have to breathe. You have to slow down sometimes. And it never lessens you as a person, and it doesn't lessen your worth. But it does give you clarity and space to continue to do other things that you enjoy. So this video wasn't really a video about going too fast. This video was a reminder, a tangible reminder, to breathe and have a beautiful day.
Don't drop water on the camera, that's all I ask.
Oh, okay. Where am I standing?